Hi everyone, it's Kathy Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 33 1/3 inch record that I've put, actually it's not an inch is it, it's an RPM, but there you go. So I put some black paint on it, and now I'm going to put some daubs on it because I'm going to use a bit of plastic to acquire, if I can, a pattern that I happen to have seen and like, and have so far not been able to replicate. Not that it's a hard one, but I use too much paint, and I think that's my main problem. So there you go, that's my story. And so I'm going to make a concerted effort this time to perhaps use a little less. And we shall see what happens. And where's the darker blue? There it is. Over here, have now, and some silver, which is quite pretty, very bright. Okay, now I have to do some white. There is silicone in everything here except the black, and maybe a bit of white over here too, and some black on this silver. Oops. Maybe some black on that. I do like black and white. Okay. So, whoa, dribbles and drabbles, and where did I put my piece of plastic here? The old shopping bag, making sure I get all these air bubbles out. Up you come, get out. I think I've just about got them. I'm trying not to rub the paint, but to just get the top layer, which is the air, out. Okay, now the other one I lifted the edges, you know, like as you see other people doing. This one, on the other hand, I'm just going to take it like that. Oh, don't go over there. It's not really what I wanted. Come here. Oh well, not too bad. Still. Okay. I'm going to use that for jewellery. That's really nice. Now, you are really quite pretty. I'm just bringing some of that paint down and then bringing it back. And then I think I might bring it down into me as well. Yes. And then I'll take it back to the centre. Goodness, really is a pretty one. Alright, so, oops. Hey! Still have some air bubbles. Stop barking! We all heard you. Yeah. Right, I'm going to torch this. And I'll find where I'll put my torch first. Very pretty. The silvers look a bit grey, but once it dries, the metallics in it come out, and then it's really quite pretty. So it'll be good. What I shall do is bring you down to take a look. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then when I put up more videos. And I'll get around here because then I don't get the glare. Take you out. There we go. And this is the, even though I flipped it over a little bit, that's the, that there is the barker. Winston, stop barking. Thank you. So you can see I can make some nice jewellery from these when they're dry. But back to the main board, and yes, as I was saying, the silver will dry off and be really sparkly. And I really like the little dibble dabbles. I like how this one came out. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it the thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.